channel. So today, y'all read the title. This is my do-it-yourself Amazon under $100 IKEA Vanity dupe, wherever I'm gonna name the title. Y'all know, cause y'all clicked on it. This is my vanity video. I've been so excited to make it. Finally came in the mail. Finally. Damn, Rona. So anyway, I don't want to take much of your time. Let me show you guys the stuff I got. So these are the shells, which I got from Amazon. But if you have a Michaels near you, check the Michaels, because they be having them way a little cheaper, plus they're always have sales. So this is my little shelf that's gonna go on top. I will insert the picture where you can find it below. I got it for Lowe's, about $14, but you can also get it at Home Depot and wherever store you will shop at. So this is my mirror I'm gonna be using. I got this at Walmart. It was on sale for like $21. So yes, that. Then I have my vanity lights I got at Amazon. I forgot the price of those, but those are on Amazon. And this is the space I'm gonna be using, y'all. Don't judge my closet. Also, if you guys want these shells, Michaels as well. Like Michaels has tons and tons and tons of stuff you can use. So I got that one and I got that one, which I will be taking out pretty soon. So yeah, those are the stuff I'm using for this video. I hope everything is as easy as all the videos I'm not seeing. So I'm going to put on my music, which I wish you guys could hear, but you can't. I'm gonna put on my music and I'm going to put this vanity together. See my hair? See my hair? It's still hold up. It ain't fall out yet. So yeah, I'm gonna clean out this closet and I'm going to get started on my vanity. Okay, y'all, I changed my clothes just in case I get hot. So here's the stuff. I got two of these, so I'm not gonna bore y'all and put both together on camera. I'm gonna put one together on camera and do the second one and then come back and do the rest. Okay, I don't know why I always order all this stuff I have to put together and Chris isn't here. Like, I'm not a girl that needs a man, but this stuff, they come in handy. So let me get started. So y'all, it is 2:52 in the morning, and I got one done in there, and I'm just on the last drawer on this one. And this has been, oh y'all, and this has been like, woo, maybe I said before, I'm not really handy, so maybe it's taking a long time, but this was a definitely a challenge. And it's kind of like this one, I'm not really looking at the instructions that much, but you get a hang of it after a while, but it's whew. But I want to get it done now because I know I'm not gonna get it done in the morning. I have to get it done now. That's just me. So I'm going to, you know, finish up this last drawer, put the stuff on, and put the lights on the mirror. And yeah, after that, then I'm gonna put the stuff inside the drawer and I will be done. You'll probably be seeing this video tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon, whenever time I wake up. And I'm not even sleepy. My butt just hurt. So let's get this finished so I can be done. So there we have it. Okay, y'all, my camera died there. So there you have it. Those two drawers. Now I'm going to put the little shelf thing across, then do my mirror and do my shelves, and I will be done finally at like 3 in the morning. Okay, so there I go with the top on there. I kind of see why people do it down, but it should be straight once I put everything on there. So next, I'm going to attempt to put the lights on this mirror. So that's how I placed them. Let's see if they work. I'm just gonna unplug my phone. Oh, wait. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. The right part. So, see that turned on? Oh. Let's see what the other buttons do. Okay, Amazon. Okay, Amazon. So we're gonna put that in there, and put the stuff in there, and then I can finally go to bed. You guys have it. It's put together. So I forgot to tell you, I forgot I had that shelf because CJ had it rolling around the house. But I got that shelf from Michael's. It was $29.99. I got it with a coupon 20% off. So yeah, I got that. That cup came from Walmart. But if you have a Dollar Tree near you, go there, because they have tons of makeup stuff. And this stool, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this stool or not. I got it for Walmart. It was on clearance when I bought it. It was $5, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep that or not, but I like it. I like it a lot. I think I'm gonna have to do some reorganizing over there for Chris' clothes, and I don't know if I'm gonna keep my computer in here, but yeah, there you go. Let me know if you want me to do a what's inside my vanity video, because I don't know if y'all want to see all that. But let me know down below if y'all want me to do an inside vanity video. So yeah, that was my vanity video. It's about 3 something at night. I'm finna go to bed. I'll probably edit this video tomorrow. So make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and make sure you guys hit subscribe, because I'm always helping y'all out. I'm always showing y'all little tips on how to be bougie on a budget. So yeah, hit that subscribe button for me, and until next time, Harris Gang.